One aspect that separates a professional sounding mixdown from an average one is the excess amount of frequency build-up. Those high resonances are making the music sound uneasy to listen to and grab too much attention from other important elements. Most often a simple EQ cut can fix this. Sweep through the sound with a high amount of boost and a narrow Q to identify the problematic area. Next, reduce those frequencies until it sounds pleasant. When you fix these resonant areas, your mix will turn out to sound much cleaner and more natural. So I have a loop here in Ableton Live, and I have an isotope ozone 6 on the master channel, and we've only got the equalizer active for this. I'm going to select one EQ point and I'm going to sweep across the frequency range. As I do that, you'll hear different resonant peaks in the music. We're going to pinpoint one and then reduce it using the EQ. So let's have a listen. I've identified one that I want to eliminate here. It's around 5.87k. So now we've found the rogue frequency, we're going to reduce it using our EQ. Although the EQ cut I've made is quite drastic, you can actually hear it cleaning up the higher end of the mix. So in this quick tip, we've looked at how to reduce excess resonances. We've used an ozone 6 on the master channel and we've made our EQ cuts across the whole of the mix. We were wondering, do you use this technique in your productions already? And if you don't, did you find this useful? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.